Hi viewers, welcome to GMATI Max. In this video, we are going to see the 9th question in exercise 1.2, 9th and 10th. In 9th question, find the subsets and number of subsets and number of proper subsets of the following. They have given the first one is the set W having 3 elements. The elements are red, blue and yellow. They didn't ask to write the subsets or proper subsets. They ask only the number of subsets and number of proper subsets. So number of subsets, if we want to find the number of subsets, we have to find n of number of power set of W, number of power set of the set W, because power set means the set of all subsets. So if we find the number of elements in the power set, it is obviously we can know what is the number of subsets, because all the elements in the power set P of W should be the subsets. Okay, what is the formula? That is the number of subsets. Number of subsets. Number of subset is n of P of W. You have to find out n of P of W. Formula is 2 power n of the given set. It is W. What is n of W? That is number of elements in the set W. How many elements are there? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 elements. So here 2 power 3. So we can write 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So number of subsets, therefore number of subsets in W is equal to 8. Then what is number of proper subset? Number of proper subset, how do you find? Number of proper subset is equal to 2 power n of W. It is the formula of finding subsets. Proper subsets, you have to subtract 1 from this. Because, for example, I will say, if A, the set A has 1, 2, only 2 elements, then what is the power set? It is nothing but all the subsets, set of subsets of A. So, you have to write the subsets, empty set, singleton set 1 and singleton set 2, and the given set is also the subset. These are the subsets. So what is n of P of A? N of P of A means 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 is the subsets. These 4 are subsets of A. 4 are the subset of A. What is the proper subsets? Here if you write only that singleton set, empty set, singleton set, this one. If you don't write the given set, it should be the proper subset. The collection of this one is the proper subset. What is the proper subset? If A, here A is 1, 2 means, then B is single 1. It has only one element, means if A, so every element is in B is in A, so B is a proper subset of A. One more important condition, A is not equal to B. Both are not equal. So the given set should not come here. So you have to subtract only one element with the subsets. So this is the subset of, to find the number of subsets. The formula to find the number of subsets, one is 2 power n of W. So we have to subtract only 1. That is nothing but the given set. Understand? So here 2 power n of W is already 8. So 8 minus 1 is 7. So number of proper subset is 7. Have you all understood now? So see here 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are the subsets of A. And if you subtract, if you don't write this 1, 2, that is the given subset, these 3 are the proper subset of A. These 3 sets are proper subset of A. Understand? Okay. So that we have to subtract that 1. That 1, number 1 should be the given element we have written, we will write as the subset. Okay, so you have to subtract. If you subtract it, then the rest of the number of subsets are the proper subsets of the given set. Okay, so now you can see the second example, the second division. See, the second division is given in the set builder form, x square such that x belongs to n. N is nothing but natural number and x square is less than or equal to 100. Okay, so x square is the element of the set x and that x square should be less than or equal to 100. The x square value should be less than or equal to 100 and then x should be in natural number. So you have to start from natural number 1. So x equal to 1 square, it should be less than or equal to 100. 1 square, x square should be less than or equal to 100. Then if you write after 1 in natural number 2, so 2 square and then 3 square, here 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, here less than or equal to 100. So equal, so 100 is also we can include. So 10 square. 11 square you can write, but that x square should be greater than 100. So up to this you have to stop. So what should be the value? 1 square is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 9 square is 81, this one is 100. If you write 11 square, it should become 121. 11 square is 121, but x square value, these are x square. That x should be n, so this is the n values. Okay, that is natural number, start from 1 to up to 10. Okay, if you write 11 square, it should not satisfy this condition. Okay, so you have to stop up to this. Okay, now how many elements? N of x. Number of elements in the set x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10. They ask us to find out number of subsets and number of proper subsets. So number of subsets. Number of subsets formula, n of p of given set is x. What's the formula? 2 power n of x. What is the 2 n of x? N of x is 10. So 2 power 10. What's the value of 2 power 10? You have to write, power is 10. You have to write the base as 10 times. Then you have to multiply. So 10 times already you have known. 2 power 5 is 32. Then you can write 2 power 6 means you have to multiply this one by 2. So it is 64. 2 power 7 you have to multiply this one by 2. So you can write 128. Then 2 power 8 you have to multiply this one by 2. So 256. Then 2 power 9. If you multiply this 256 by 2 you can have 2 power 9. So it is nothing but 512. Then 2 power 10 means you have to multiply this 512 by 2. So it is nothing but 1024. If you write that 2 as 10 times, that is 2 power 10 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It is 5 times. 1, 2 and this is 3. This is 4 and this is 5. So 10 times you have to write and multiply it. If you multiply, we can get 1024. So this one is 1024. How many subsets? 1024 subsets are there for the set X. Okay. Then number of proper subsets. What is the number of proper subsets? In the subset, while we write all the subset, we have to write the given set is also the subset as the last element. So you have to subtract that one alone. So what's the formula of proper subset? 2 power n of x. This is the total number of subsets. You have to subtract only one element from this. You can get the proper subset. It is nothing but 1024. 2 power n of x already we have found. You can write here minus 1. So 1023 subsets, proper subsets are there in the set X. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.